Hi friends, you may have seen some other videos on YouTube recently about the new regulations in regards to standards for children, otherwise known as COPPA. If you haven't heard about this, it's basically in very simplified format. YouTube was fined a lot of money for breaching standards about showing advertisements to children because children had been using their parents' YouTube accounts and had inadvertently then been exposed to advertising which breached regulations and standards. So now there's this new law, otherwise known as COPPA, and it allows YouTube to fine any YouTube creator who is found to be in breach of the standards as well. The fine per video is over $40,000. The reasons that they can have for fining a YouTube creator are fairly broad. For example, if you are deemed to have some children's things in your video, even if it's like children's toys or something like that, apparently you can be fined for that. So how does this affect me? Well, I have a few videos that were made specifically for children, and I have decided to take them down from YouTube, which is a real shame because some of them are very popular, like the making a Cardboard Loom series has been a really popular video, but I can't run the risk of being fined those huge amounts. Yes, I could just demonetize those videos, but because this law is sort of in its infancy, has only just come out, I think there's going to be a lot of confusion and misunderstandings, and at least for the time being, I'd like to just take those videos down and not have to worry about possibly being accused of advertising to children. This is not YouTube's fault. It's more to do with the law, and as I said, YouTube was fined an awful lot of money for breaching the standards in the first place. So of course they want to put measures in place to avoid any future fines for them. What I'm going to do is, because the Cardboard Loom videos have been so popular, I'm going to put them up on my online weaving school as a free class so that people who want to access can still access. And you know, they're a great way for children to start weaving and a great way for adults to start weaving too for very little cost. It's just one of those really fun and easy projects. And I would hate for people to have to miss out on learning how to do that. So I'm going to put the link to my online weaving school underneath. You do need to have an account to access, but you don't have to pay anything to have an account. So I'll leave that with you, but the option's there if you want to access that class. Hopefully once these laws have settled into place, it'll be a little bit clearer what we can and can't do. I really feel for people who have built their entire YouTube channels on teaching children things. I mean, what a shame. And I'm not sure how they're going to go forward with this. Thankfully, I only have a few children's videos, so it doesn't affect me a huge amount. But just in case you noticed some of my videos had disappeared, I wanted to let you know that that was what was happening. Okay, so I'll leave you the link down below, and I will keep bringing you the occasional YouTube video as I always have. They just won't be directed towards children. I hope you're having an amazing day, and until next time, happy weaving.